Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2014 Chevy Impala Limited LS in a white metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these beautiful halogen headlights. As we move here towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black grill insert that is powder coated a slight gray color with this beautiful chrome trim running around that. And then finally here for the front end, you'll see that beautiful bow tie patented Chevy logo. Making our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. While we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. This is going to come with a premium tan cloth interior. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish with some of this beautiful dark brown wood grain finish here in the middle. But while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Chevy Impala, your left and right front tire depths will be 8 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 7 and 32 seconds. And both your brakes are going to be 9 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, now that beautiful interior is going to stay consistent. Coming around here to the rear, let's go ahead and open up this trunk, showing you guys just how much space there actually is. However, this being a 2014, it is on your keys, so it'll be that top button right there. You'll just hold that and your trunk will open. Go ahead and put the keys in my pocket real quick. Lift this up, showing you guys just exactly how much space there actually is. There is plenty of space back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips, anything you could possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So the first thing you'll take notice of is this vehicle is going to come with just over 89,000 miles on it. Here to the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have some different options over here. You'll have all of your headlight adjustments, as well as your trunk release, your traction control, and the option to change the brightness to your driver display. The left knob behind your steering wheel are going to be your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Here on the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have all of your cruise control options there. And on the right side, you're going to have your middle display options, as well as your touch to talk. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a stereo system equipped with AM, FM, and all auxiliary line in. Right below that, you'll have the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. You'll have a large deep storage compartment with a 12-volt plug-in down there as well. Your beautiful shifter knob, 2 cup holders, and a large center console with another 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, your rear view mirror, you will have OnStar options as well. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.6 liter V6F DOHC 24V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bay comes extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Here's the front passenger rim. Great condition, no curb rash on that. Making our way back down the body. No scratches, no marks, no dings along that. However, I will point out that here on your mirror, you will have a slight imperfection here. Coming around here to the rear, once again, the body is in great condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings there. This passenger side rear tire is in great condition. No curb rash on that rim as well. Coming around here to the rear, you're going to have a couple of your typical trunk scratches. Back down to the driver's side of the body. Once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents on that as well. That rear tire also in great condition. No curb rash on that rim as well. And then finally coming back up here to the driver right side tire. Once again, great condition, no curb rash on that rim. This was a very clean and very well-maintained 2014. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2014 Chevy Impala Limited LS. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit that like and subscribe.